Hey y'all, it's your girl Nikki PinkkGoddess. I am so excited. Today is September the 1st, 2020. Today is day one of our 90 Days to Remember 1K to 50K launch. So I have actually not done a launch in a very, very long time. And so for me, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for myself. And I'm being transparent here because what I've done before is I've done a 90-day run and I achieved my goal and then kind of slacked off. But this time my goal is pretty big and I don't foresee myself, reaching it before time. Now, I'm not going to say that I can't because I know that anything is possible. And with all of the effort that I'm going to be putting into this, looking to connect with serious minded people, you may surprise me and you guys may hit the goals out of the park, but we're still not going to stop before the 90 days. We're going to stay committed and go a full 90 days. The plan is for me to help at least 10 people create $50,000 from $1,000 in the next 90 days. That is very doable. I've done it before. And I've done it actually in a shorter period of time. And it was just a lot of different variables. So I know with focused action, me sharing with you exactly what to do. I have a system that I have in place. That's the thing that's going to allow us to have the efficiency and the speed and the ability to duplicate fast. That's what I didn't have before. And I had really, really great results without a system. It's just that I got burned out within 30 days. And so this time around, I have a system in place. I have some things that's going to keep that from happening. And so I pretty much prepared. It took me quite a while to prepare for this, but I'm so excited because I know what can be done and the possibilities of what lies ahead. It's just a matter of connecting with like-minded people that are serious, that really want to win, and they want to actually lock arms with our team and just really go. And so that's really what it is. So I really wanted to just do this introductory video because a lot of people have said, well, Nikki, what goes on in a launch? What consists of a launch? Well, really a launch is just, saying, okay, for a specified period of time, you're going to do X, Y, Z. So that means for the next 90 days, I am going to be focused action on achieving these goals. I'm going to make sure every single day I have action plans. So for those of you that are new, that have never done a launch before, and you are really serious about creating $50,000 in the next 90 days, then I'm going to be inviting you guys to ask questions in our Facebook group here. If you're not watching this in the Facebook group and you are on the YouTube channel or my Facebook page, I'm not sure where you will be because I'm going to be streaming this live. And so it just kind of depends on where you're watching this at. But wherever you are, there's going to be a way for you to contact me. And the best way to get, my help and assistance is in my Facebook group, because that's where I'll be going live. That's where I'll be answering questions. You guys are going to see me build this from scratch because pretty much there's only a few people on the team right now. When I say a few, I'm talking less than 5. So we really are starting from the beginning. I made a decision that I was going to do a 90-day launch about 2 months ago. It was supposed to start before now, and we're just now getting started because some things kind of took place that kind of had my focus shifted. And so when those things fell apart, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to commit to these 90 days and I'm going to knock this out of the park, because I have people that hit me up all the time on Facebook asking me about ways to make money from home, because a lot of people have been to my YouTube channel. A lot of people know that this is what I do. I work from home. I make money from home. So I get a lot of people asking me, Nikki, what you doing? Nikki, what you think about this? And so what better way than to go ahead and lock arms with an amazing platform. We have a super, super amazing compensation plan and just really help some people make some money, some serious money, because as you guys know, with everything that's going on right now, there's a lot of people that need our help. And so, like I said, the goal over the next 90 days for myself personally is to find 10 people that are interested in creating $50,000 from $1,000 in the next 90 days. So 90 days to remember. 1K to 50K. And the reason why I did it the 90 days to remember, because for these 90 days, it's going to be something that people are going to want to remember, especially those of you that lock arms, that's serious, and are able to really create $50,000 or more in the next 90 days. It's definitely going to be something for you to remember. So that's why I chose the 90 days to remember, taking 1K, turning it into 50K. And so that's what we're going to be doing. There's a presentation schedule, everything. All we have to do is market, share, be visible, help as many people as we can, and we will more than achieve our goals in the next 90 days. And I know I've been talking about the 1K to 50K, but I do want to make sure that those of you that cannot afford to get started at the $1,000 level know that we have a level that is as low as $25 that you can join us in. The only reason why I've decided to focus on the $1,000 level is because I've done high ticket sales before. I've worked in a high ticket, and I know that people are looking to create a lot of money, and it can be done because I've done it over and over and over. And when you are looking at a financial goal that you have, when you break it down, if you start at the lower amount, then you're gonna need a whole lot more people than you would if you have a higher number. So just to kind of give you an example, 1,000 people purchasing $1,000 product from you, whether you have a product or service or whatever it is, that is $1 million. Well, you take that same number and you take $25 and you're trying to get to the million, then you do the math on that. You know what I'm saying? So that's the whole reason why I decided to focus on the $1,000 number, because, you know, when you set a goal and you have a game plan and you can show people how to get there, then they're going to follow you. It's when you don't have a game plan in place that you cannot get the results that you're looking to get, and people really don't follow. So I just wanted you guys to know that there is a lower entry level, but that's not the level that I'm focusing on. That's not to say that if you only have $25 to get started, but you're willing to put in the work, that you cannot achieve the goals, because you can. It's just that you would have to work a little bit harder, and it's totally up to you. So I just want you to know that that is an option. But that's what I do also want you to know, that everything in all of my promotions is really going to be at the $1,000 number, because we will need a lot less people to join to create that $50,000. I think it's something like 25, maybe 30 people a month coming in at the $1,000 level. I think, I forgot, I don't have the numbers off the top of my head, but it's not a very large number over the next 90 days. I want to say it's like 17,000. Matter of fact, where's my calculator? Let me tell you what it is, just so I can, just to make sure. Yeah, I think it's $17,000 over the next, $17,000 per month. Over the next 3 months is $51,000. So if you take that, you do the math. That's not a lot of people coming in at $1,000. I mean, you can do that fairly easy if you're really focused and you're getting your marketing out there and you're getting visible and you're giving value to the community and you're really looking genuinely to help people. So that's the reason why I chose to go with the $1,000 number, because I mean, I know in these susus and these boards and these flowers that a lot of people have been participating in, you have people that have been dropping $1,500, $3,000, $5,000, like really large amounts of money, and they're lost and they're stuck with that money because they didn't have a game plan, and the game plan that they did have, the numbers just did not work. Whereas something like this, 17 people in a month at $1,000, that's going to net you $51,000 in the next 3 months if you really stay focused and you follow the things that I'm going to be sharing with you. And I just want you to know I'm not making any guarantees, because I don't know your work ethic. I don't know how serious you are. I don't know, if you're willing to go hard like me. I know what I can do. I know what I've done before, and I know the possibilities of what lie ahead if I do this, if I have. That's the reason why I took the time to put the system together, because I realized that the last time that I did something similar to this, that I got burned out really in about 30 to 45 days, and I didn't have a system. I was answering questions. I got hoarse. And you just imagine if you're out there doing something and you don't have a system in place, you can really get burned out. So that's why I took the time. I spent a little while putting it all together. And so that's going to be easier, not only on myself, but for you as well. You're coming into a system with a well-oiled machine. And that's what we have here. So I just wanted to tell you that, that's just kind of what I wanted to let you know, that if you don't have $1,000, we still have room for you. So I wanted to put that out there. And so I want to welcome you. I thank you for watching this video. It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out, and I'll see you on the next video. Welcome to the team in advance, because I'm pretty sure that if you're somebody that's looking to create income from the comfort of your home, and you want to create, you may not want to create 50,000. You may only have a need to create 10,000, but you may even want to create 100,000 or more. Whatever your goal is, we have something for anybody. It just really depends on you and what you're willing to do. And like I always tell everybody, you just got to believe in yourself, because if I believe in you, the team believes in you, and those around you believe in you, but you don't believe in you, then you're not going to achieve any results, because guess what? Your subconscious mind is working against what you're telling yourself, you're trying to tell yourself, and other people are telling you. It's not going to allow you to win. So the number one thing you have to do is to have the belief that you can achieve whatever the goal is. And then you have to make a decision that you're going to work hard to do it. Then you're going to need to take consistent, massive action, and then you're going to achieve that goal. That's the formula. So like I said, I want to welcome you. I just wanted to show you, just kind of lay out for you guys what the game plan is. Do this really quick video. I'll see you guys in a little while on another video. Please, 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 if you have any kinds of questions, don't hesitate to ask. And let's do this. So I would love for you to comment wherever you see this video. I'm not sure where you'll see it at. I'd love for you to comment and let us know if you are on board with us or not. And get the steps on exactly what you need to do to go ahead and become a part of the team. So it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out. Again, I want to thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.